It's not uncommon for us to teach the same course, but maybe with a few slight modifications. Rather than creating the same course multiple times, we can actually reuse our RStudio Cloud workspace using one of two methods. We can remove all of our learners once the course is completed and reuse the workspace, or we can copy the workspace for a new cohort of learners. To reuse our existing workspace by removing learners, we can go to the Members tab, located at the top of our workspace. From here, we can navigate to a specific member and click the Delete icon here. We can repeat this for any and all members in our workspace. However, if we'd like to remove large numbers of learners, we'll need to use the RS Cloud package. It's also important to note that only admins can remove learners. This means that if you'd like any of your co-instructors or teaching assistants to help remove members from the shared workspace, they'll need to have their membership roles switched to administrator. Rather than remove learners, we can copy our workspace. Copying our workspace allows us to take all of the existing shared files to a new workspace where we will be the only member. Just note that any private files in our workspace will not be copied over.